India is building one of its biggest infrastructure projects ever, the Vadhavan Port in Maharashtra. This single project has the potential to change India's trade, economy, logistics, and global position. But what exactly is Vadhavan Port? Why is it so important? And how can it transform India into a global shipping hub? In this video, we break it all down in simple terms. What is Vadhavan Port? Vadhavan Port is a proposed mega deepwater port located near the Hanu in Palghar district, Maharashtra, around 150 kilometers north of Mumbai. It is planned to be developed as one of the largest container ports in India and one of the biggest in the world. The project is being developed by the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority, or JNPA, along with the Maharashtra Maritime Board. The estimated cost of the project is more than 76,000 crore rupees, making it one of India's most ambitious infrastructure investments. This is not just another small port. It is being designed as a world-class international shipping hub with deep water berths, massive container terminals, modern logistics facilities, direct connectivity to highways and railways. In simple words, Vadhavan Port is being built to handle the future of Indian trade. Why does India need Vadhavan Port? Right now, India's biggest container port is NHVA, Nhava Sheva Port, near Mumbai. But JNPT is slowly reaching its maximum capacity. India's exports and imports are growing every year, and existing ports are struggling to handle the increasing load. Because of this, a lot of Indian cargo is currently handled by foreign ports like Colombo, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Dubai. This means higher shipping costs, longer delivery times, and dependence on other countries. Vadhavan Port is being built to solve exactly this problem. Once operational, it will reduce congestion at existing ports, handle ultra-large cargo ships, bring more trade directly to India, and reduce dependence on foreign transshipment hubs. So, the basic need is simple. India's trade is growing, and we need bigger, better, modern ports. Strategic location advantage. One of the biggest strengths of Vadhavan Port is its location. It is located on the western coast of India, very close to major international shipping routes. This gives it huge strategic advantages. Direct access to Europe, direct access to the Middle East, direct access to Africa, easy connectivity to Southeast Asia. Most importantly, it is planned as a deep water port. This means it can handle very large container ships, next-generation cargo vessels, ships that current Indian ports cannot accommodate. Right now, many big ships avoid India because our ports are not deep enough. Vadhavan Port changes that completely. Economic impact. Now let's talk about the economic importance. A megaport like Vadhavan is not just about ships and containers. It directly impacts the entire economy. Here's how. 1. Boost to exports. Faster shipping and better infrastructure means lower logistics cost, faster delivery, more competitive Indian products. This will help Indian exporters compete better in global markets. 2. Job creation. During construction alone, the project will create thousands of direct jobs, lakhs of indirect jobs. After completion, it will generate employment in shipping, logistics, warehousing, transportation, manufacturing. Entire new industrial zones are expected to develop around the port. 3. Development of Maharashtra. The Palghar and Hanu region will see new roads, new rail lines, new industries, better connectivity, urban development. So the project is not just a port, it is a regional growth engine. Reducing logistics costs. One of India's biggest economic problems is high logistics costs. In developed countries, logistics cost is around 8 to 9% of GDP. In India, it is around 13 to 14%. This makes Indian goods more expensive globally. Vadhavan Port will help reduce this by faster cargo movement, better infrastructure, larger ships, more efficient handling. Lower logistics costs means cheaper exports, cheaper imports, more efficient economy. And that directly benefits businesses and consumers. Strategic and national importance. Vadhavan Port is not just economically important, it is also strategically important for India. Right now, India depends heavily on foreign ports for transshipment. That is a strategic weakness. With Vadhavan Port, India can become a global maritime hub, a transshipment center, a key player in Indian Ocean trade. It strengthens India's maritime security, trade independence, global influence. In the long run, this project supports India's goal of becoming a $5 trillion economy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to the channel for more simple and insightful explainers like this.